Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. Green color, brown color, red color. The next one is blue color, yellow color, and the last one is black color. Now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. First we draw A and use green color. Green color. Now we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cat. C for cow. The next one is D. Now we draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The next one is E. Now we use brown color. And draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish. F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we use red color. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. Now we draw K and the next one is L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Blue color. Now we use blue color and draw M. M for moon. The next one is N. N for nest. The next one is O. Now we draw O. O for orange. Kids, now we draw P. P for penguin. The next one is Q. We again use blue color and draw Q. Q for queen. And now we draw R. R for rose. The next one is S. Now we use yellow color. Now we draw S. S for sun. The next one is T. T for tiger. And now we draw U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. Now we use black color. Now we draw V. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. We again use black color. And now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. And Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.